And we're back at it again with another unboxing video, of course, with Galax. But tonight, right now, we have here this Galax Gamer Edition GeForce RTX 2070 Super. Ooh, and it's fully packed and full loaded. That's why it's kind of heavy, and I'm so excited to see what's inside this box. So without further ado, let's unbox it right now. So it says here that this is the GeForce RTX 2070 Super EX Gamer Black. So it's black with RGB. Of course, the classic black GeForce RTX box. So inside this box is, the phone. Let's set that aside. Of course, the quick startup guide by Galax. There you go. And I'm sure this is the Molex to PCIe connector. Yeah, it is. And of course, the graphics card itself with 3 fans. Wow. Ooh, this looks so nice. So what I'm currently using right now is the Galax RTX 2080 Ti Hall of Fame. So it's kind of bulky like this one, but that one is bigger and that's all white. And this one is the Gamer Black Edition. Wow! Ooh, that's so chunky. Well, that's our unboxing of the Galax RTX 2070 Super. What's your game? The Galax RTX 2070 Super EX Gamer Black version is armed with a 390mm RGB fans, which supports Galax silent fan operation that allows low power usage and proper cooling while maintaining low noise levels. Moreover, Galax has added extra long 25cm high-performance composite heat pipes to help cool down this graphics card. Aesthetically, the Galax RTX 2070 Super EX Gamer Black is combined of aluminum and plastic, which has been well constructed to feel solid on hand. The rear metal plate is solid black and silver accents, giving you that more aggressive feel that really shows your RGB lighting on the fans. Supporting the Turing architecture, it is equipped with a T104 12nm processor with an increased 2560 CUDA cores and a boost clock of 1815 MHz, which can be overclocked to 1830 MHz using the one-click OC via the Extreme Tuner software that is available for download on their website. Additionally, it has a standard 8GB GDDR6 support running at 256-bit and memory bandwidth of 448GB per second. The Galax RTX 2070 Super EX Gamer Black requires one 6-pin and one 8-pin power connectors to power it up with a minimum requirement of 650-watt power supply. Output connectors consist of 3 DisplayPort 1.4 and a single HDMI 2.0B. And we're done! Well, that's the unboxing of this Galax RTX 2070 Super EX Gamer Black. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. Again, this is Kang, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye, everyone!